Miami International Airport watching a takeoff. Boeing 737 MAX taking off out of Miami on its way to Chicago, blasting off into the sunset. That Boeing 737 was on its way to Cancun, the radar says, is an Airbus A320 destined for Medellin, Colombia. Listen to that buzzsaw sound. So the radar says that that is a Boeing 737 on its way to Salt Lake City. And this is a Boeing 737 MAX taking off. So the radar says that this one is heading off to Denver. Bon voyage. All right, let's get this one up on the radar and see where it's going. So it doesn't show us, but we do know for certain, as I suspected, it is a Boeing 737 MAX 8. All right, we're in Miami International Airport, and let's get it up on the radar where this plane is going. So it's a 737 MAX, and it is on its way to Guayaquil, Ecuador. That is a big bird. Let's see on the app what that is. So that's an Airbus A320 on its way to Buenos Aires. And then here's the tug going by.